Hi guys, today we're going to go through the accounting modules and now we're going to go through financial reporting. Financial report is all about financial statements that are formal records of the financial activities and position of a company, person, or any other entity. Relevant financial information is presented in a structured manner and in a form which is easy to understand. So the first thing that we're going to go through is chart of accounts. So how do you get there? You first log in, navigate to the main menu, and under the main menu you go to accounting, then you go to the sub menu setup, then you go to chart of accounts. Click it. This section provides the information on how to create and manage accounts for your system. So we're going to do an example by creating one account. Let's create a salaries account. So to create a new one, you go to the create button. In the create button, you find these fields. Your account name, which for in this instance, it will be salaries, and then the account type, which you're going to choose in the drop down list, whether it's an asset, a liability, or an expense, or owner's equity, or a revenue, or a memo. And then in this instance, it's an expense. And then you're going to put in a code. And then you can put in a description for your account, which will be salaries for employees. Now, if a corresponding charge needs to be created, we can enable the create charge by clicking the checkbox here. If we need to create multiple charges for sub accounts under an account, it needs to be done through the maintain charges screen. And then you can click save there. As you can see now, your account is created. There it is. The account code, your account salary, your account name, which is salaries, your account type, which is expenses. There's no summary level, and then the description is salaries. And then you can edit it by going to this button, which is the edit button. If maybe perhaps you made a mistake here, then you can edit it, which will take you back to the this screen, and then you can do whatever you need to do to it and click save thereafter. Now we are going to go through trial balance since we are done with chart of accounts. A trial balance is a list of all the general ledger accounts contained in the ledger of a business. This list will contain the name of each nominal ledger account and the value of the nominal ledger balance. Each nominal ledger account will hold either a debit balance or a credit balance. Now, to access the trial balance screen, you'll need to navigate to the main menu, then click the accounting menu, then you go to trial balance, which will be under the reports sub menu, and then you click trial balance there. So in here, you can choose your date range by month, custom, or fixed. And then you can select, if it's fixed, you can select whether you want today's trial balance, yesterday, current week, previous week, last 3 weeks, last year, current year, 2 years, or 6 months. And then you can choose the organization that you want. and then you can click this as well, show posted accounts only if you need to, and then you can click search. Note that show posted accounts only checkbox, it shows only posted account entries. So you can also click on the screen preference icon, which is this one, to widen your options or your table. This will list the column names which you can select to appear in the report. So you can select any column that you want, what you want to see. Maybe you want to see closing balance, then you can click it, then it will show off there. Let me just click it, and then you can click your credit or your debit if you want it to show off there. You can click your opening balance if you want it to show off on the report, and then click save, and then click the close button, and then we can click search to refresh the report. You see the opening balance is there now, the closing balance is there as well. So you can see your account type there, and then the account, your account name, your account type, which is a liability, an asset, a revenue, or an expense. And then you can see the opening balance, you can see the debit, you can see the credit as well, you can see your closing balance, and then you can see the account codes as well. And then that's it for the trial balance. Now we're going to go through statement of accounts. A statement of account is a detailed report of the contents of an account. An example is a statement sent to a customer showing billings to and payments from the customer during a specific time period, resulting in an ending balance, the net remaining balance of all transactions listed as well. To access the statement of accounts screen, you'll need to navigate to the main menu, then accounting, then statement of balance, statement of accounts under the report sub menu. Now you can choose your account name, one which you want to be listed. I'll choose charge expense, and then you can choose whether you want all of them or completed only. You can group them by month, by date, or by document or other. You can choose your date range there, custom, month, whichever way you want it. And then in the select range date, you can choose whichever way you want it, and then you can choose your organization or branch. Transaction type, you can choose the one that you need. I'll choose all, and then click search. And then here you'll be able to see your opening balance, which is 0, and then all transactions for the month of April, debit, and then credit there. So I can choose another account if I need to, I'll choose the account receivables, and then click search as well. And then the account receivables for the month of March, nothing. And then for the month of April, we have 4,000 rand, and then the balance is 4,000 rands. For the month of May, which is the first today, we have a balance of 4,000 rands, and then we can say show trial balance, and then it's going to take us back here, and then I can click search if I need to go to the trial balance, which we did previously as well. Now we're going to go to the financial report. Possible financial report is designed with report type balance sheet and profit and loss details. So to navigate to the financial report, you need to navigate to the main menu. And then under main menu, you go to the sub menu. You go to create accounting menu. Then you go to the sub menu reports. Then you go to financial report. And then you can select the report type, balance sheet or profit and loss from the drop down menu. Here, profit and loss or balance sheet. You can choose your organization. I'll leave it as a Stewick for all of them. There are different types of date range comparisons available on the next drop down, which are as follows: net period activity, year-wise activity comparison, month-wise activity comparison, quarterly, yearly activity comparison, and half-yearly activity comparison. Now, I'll click the net activity comparison. Change the date range to whichever date I need it. I'll make it to April and leave it there, and then click detailed view or summary view if I need one. And then here it will give me my financial report, account payables, customer repayments, tax which is due. So this will give me my detailed one. I can click this to minimize it so that I can see the others, and then I can click this as well to minimize it to see the others. So these are all my assets: my product asset, my checking account, my checking in transfers, my checking unallocated, my cash, and my tax credit, and my intercompany due from. So that's how my balance sheet will look like as on the 1st of April. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Yeah.